So we are heading toward Mumbai International Airport. So we just sit in our cab and after 10-15 minutes we will reach. So we have arrived at Mumbai International Airport. So if you have your flight from Mumbai International Airport, then please come at least 3 hours prior, as there is a huge crowd at Mumbai Airport and your web check-in process will take time. Now we are waiting for the immigration and there is a huge line. So you have to come early for immigration. So our immigration is done and finally we are ready to go. ये मेरे भैया के कंपनी के बैंक की नौकरी है हर चीज। मुंबई इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट ड्यूटी फ्री डिपार्टमेंट। यहाँ पे आपको जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स मिलेंगे ऑल आर ड्यूटी फ्री। तो अगर आप यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं एंड आपको कुछ परचेज करना सो यू कैन चेक आउट। यहाँ पे आपको काफ़ी रीजनेबल रेट में यू विल गेट एवरीथिंग। तो वीडियो का टाइटल देख के आपको समझ में आ ही गया होगा कि हम कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं। स्टिल वी विल लेट यू नो वंस। सो वी आर गोइंग टू मालदीव्स। सो वी आर जस्ट वेटिंग हियर एंड बस 1 घंटे बाद हमारी फ़्लाइट है, तो हम फटाफट से कुछ खा लेते हैं। Finally, we have boarded our flight. In half an hour, we will reach Maldives. सो वी फाइनली अराइव्ड एट मालदीव्स एंड ये जो आपको नीचे ब्लू वाटर दिख रहा है ये सारे आइलैंड है। तो यहाँ पे बीच बीच में आपको काफ़ी जगह पे इस तरीके से लाइट ब्लू कलर में वाटर दिखेगा। Formality at our resort counter at airport. So finally we have reached Maldives and now we are waiting for our speedboat। यहाँ बैक साइड में पूरा पानी है। मैं आपको कैमरा टर्न करके दिखाती हूँ। तो ये एयरपोर्ट से लग के एकदम एयरपोर्ट के बगल में ही ये यहाँ पे आपको पूरा सी मिल जाएगा। यहाँ से आपको स्पीडबोट का ट्रांसफ़र भी मिल जाएगा। तो हमारी जो स्पीड बोट है वो फाइनली आ गई है। And now we are moving towards our island, so it will take around 1 hour from speedboat to reach to the island. So we have finally reached this beautiful Meru island. And this is the way they welcome their guests every day. This is so nice. So we just came to this restaurant to have some snacks. Actually lunch are already over, so the resort provided us the complimentary snacks. So right now we are damn hungry, so we thought to come here and have some snacks and then we will check into our room. So from our snacks coupon we order veg pizza, tandoori chicken sandwich and some ice cream. So from one coupon we can take anything from this restaurant and this is the complimentary from the resort side. So this is our beach villa and this is so beautiful. So let's go inside. So this is our beautiful beach villa room. There they have provided the extra bed for the kids. And this is the king size bed. See the thickness of the mattress. This bed is quite comfortable.
At the entrance, they have provided table and chair, then the water bottle, then the tea maker, then some glasses, wine and vodka glasses, some cups and the spoons, some snacks items, some drinks. So apart from the tea, coffee, sugar and dairy whitener, all the things are paid, and if you are using this, then you need to pay. So this is the locker where you can keep your precious thing and you can set your pin yourself. Below locker they had provided the fridge, and there is a mini bar in this fridge, and they have provided all type of hard and the soft drink. And wow, they have also provided my favorite sneaker chocolate. If you are using any item from the counter or from the mini bar, then you can mention here, and during your checkout process they will calculate your final bill. And on this TV, they have written this beautiful message: Dear Mrs. Kanojia, Maruhaba, and welcome to your island, Paradise Meru Island Resort. All of us here at Meru are dedicated to exceed your expectation. Simply dial 0 from your villa to get in contact with our guest service team. This is quite impressive. So they have also provided some bath gowns, some extra hangers, then the laundry bag. In every room they provide two umbrella because the weather is so unpredictable here. So for rain and for sunlight both you can use these umbrellas. And to my surprise they provide swing kit also in room. There is also eco-friendly rubbish bag. Life jacket also provided in room which you can use in emergency. And this is best, they provided do not disturb tag in every room which you can keep outside if you don't want any disturbance from staff service. And this is the big beautiful mirror. So यहाँ पे ready होने के बाद you can check yourself completely. So these are the drawers they have provided, so you can keep your things in these drawers. So this area is dedicated for females. Here you can get ready. Here you have a big mirror where you can simply get ready. And this is our washroom. So let's check this. Oh wow, this is so pretty. So they have provided the shower gel, then the body lotion, and the quality of every product is just amazing. And here is also a beautiful big mirror. So I really like their concept. So they have provided so many big mirror in the room and the bathroom area also. And this is the bathing area which is the top open. So this is completely open from the top side, and this is the just beautiful concept. I really like this concept. So you will get a open bathing area, and in front of bathing area there is a small garden. And to keep the privacy of their guests, using drone is not allowed in this island. This light is so beautiful. I like this light. Good
Hello,
morning.
good morning.
So now we are going to the beach.
It's very nice view.
Okay, so let me show you this beautiful Maldives island. See the front side of our villa. In front of our villa, you can see the beach. Let me turn the video because in front camera you cannot see the beach side. So this is the view in front of our beach villa, and you can see the beautiful blue water here. Those are our water villa, so we are going to move there tomorrow. So this is the Fairy Value restaurant. So altogether they have 3 restaurants in this island. So their food quality is simply amazing, and they have unlimited option in the veg and the non-veg, both the food. Whether it's come to their breakfast, lunch or dinner, everything is just amazing. And in the dessert, you will daily get 6 to 7 different varieties in dessert. In breakfast, you will get variety of smoothies and juices. They also have lots of variety of salad in the daily breakfast, lunch and dinner. Their veg food taste is just amazing. And especially talking about their curries, they are simply delicious. So whether you are a vegetarian or non-vegetarian, Meru food is just perfect for everyone. And if you love the sweet, then the Fairy Value restaurant is a perfect choice for you. So this is the reception area. Here you can come and resolve all of your query, and during the final checkout you have to come here to final settlement of your bill. Even you will get the buggy from here also to go to your room. So during our first 2 days of stay in Meru Island, there was the rain in the Maldives. So we really loved this weather because there was no sunlight and the weather was simply amazing. As the room and the restaurant is quite far, so we need to take the buggy every time. Sometimes you can also walk, so we prefer to walk in the night time, and during the afternoon we mostly take the buggy. And this is the night view of our beach villa. So after 2 days of our stay, we got the letter from the resort that tomorrow we are going to move you to your jacuzzi water villa. So they have mentioned all the timing in the letter also.
So guys, that's it in this vlog, and today's we are moving to our water villa. So in our next vlog we are going to show you our jacuzzi water villa. So stay connected for our next vlog, and we will soon upload our next vlog. So I hope you like this vlog. If you like the video, then please don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to our channel. Do share with your friend and family. Thank you so much.